Hello, dear children. So, in our last class, we understood what is past participle, and also we discussed various verbs and its forms, right? And I hope you have already read verbs and their forms that I had given you in my first lecture. You can say I had given you the list of verbs and their forms. Okay, so today we are going to discuss vocabulary. In that vocabulary you will learn, okay, some new words and what is their meaning and how to use it. So this is known as the phrases. Okay, phrases, also known as the phrasal words or phrasal verbs. Okay, this phrase is known as phrasal verb. The meaning is something different. Okay, so how it has formed? See, it is the combination of verb and preposition. Okay, preposition means, see, we talk about the situation. That means, for example, here given, look is your verb and after is your preposition. Look again verb and into your preposition, right? We'll learn more about preposition because today we are not going to learn that preposition part, but it is the combination of both noun and preposition and make different meaning in this. So here we are going to look or learn the word which look plus another preposition. See, you can see there are a number of phrasal verbs given. Okay, phrasal verbs given with look and other preposition. Okay, so shall we start? Let us learn the meanings with the words or phrasal verbs. First, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, if I do anything unusual. Okay, look after. Look after means to make sure that someone or something is safe. That means looked after in Hindi, if I would say that, look after means देखभाल करना. Okay, किसी की देखभाल करना. Look after the cat, look after the dog, she look after me. वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी तरह से देखभाल करती है. Okay, look after means देखभाल करना. Look into means something you go or check in details. Okay, to find out more about something, look into it. That means you are going to search more information about something or someone. That means look into it. Look down means किसी को नीचा देखना बोल सकते हो, right? So we use for the person and things. If you use for things, the meaning will be little bit changed. Okay, for person, that meaning I had already given. To think poorly about, बेचारापन भी बोल सकते हो. To think poorly about someone or something. Okay, what is the meaning of look down? To think poorly about someone or something. That is your look down. Now, next one, that is look forward. What is the meaning of look? Means देखना, forward means आगे का देखना. तो यहाँ पे आगे का देखने के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हैं. Okay, look forward means you are hoping something, you are expecting something. Okay, what? Some exciting news. See, in our last lecture I had taught you that how to write a letter. There at the last we have written, I am looking forward to your letter. That means मैं तुम्हारी उम्मीद करना. You can say yes, that is the best word for this. उम्मीद रखना. To feel happy or excited about something that is going to happen. कुछ होने जा रहा है जिसके लिए तुम hope लगाए बैठे हो. You are looking forward for good news. You are looking forward for the vaccine कोरोना वायरस का वैक्सीन निकलेगा ना, तो वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग समथिंग अ पॉजिटिव रेस्पॉन्ड यू कैन से. सो लुक आफ्टर मीन्स देखभाल करना. लुक इनटू मीन्स कोई चीज़ की डिटेल्स जानकारी या उसके बारे में ढूंढना. लुक डाउन मीन्स टू थिंक और फील पुअर अबाउट समथिंग और समवन. लुक फॉरवर्ड मीन्स उम्मीद रखना, यू नो उम्मीद है, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. दैट लुक अप वी यूज फॉर person, someone, that in person, something, that is things. To respect or admire something, look up. I look up at him, that means with admiration. तारीफ है ना, वाव फील होना, नो किसी को देखकर बेटर फील होना, वो भी लुक अप होता है. सो दीज आर द मीनिंग्स गिवन हियर. विल मैच दिस sentences in column 2A to this column B. Let us find out. First one is given for you. Sorry. My mother is a kind, brave and hardworking woman. So ये answer given. I look up to her. That means मैं उनकी प्रशंसा करता हूँ या करती हूँ. रेस्पेक्ट, मैं उनकी रेस्पेक्ट करती हूँ. बिकॉज शी इज़ ब्रेव, काइंड एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. आई लुक अप टू हर. थीव्स ब्रोक इनटू आवर नेबर्स फ्लैट लास्ट नाइट. व्हाट कुड बी द राइट आंसर? ओके, लेट अस रीड. थीव्स broke into our neighbor's flat last night. Would it be possible for you to look after our pets? No. I am looking forward to visit. Looking forward means what? You are expecting something for good, right? No. The police are looking into. Yes, they are searching the details of the matter. So this is the correct option. So second one is, see, I'm holding pen, so I'll not write with this pen. I'll write with this. So this is your second number. Third is, the summer holidays are almost here. Yes, we have already read this, right? So this could be B number. I am looking forward to visiting Rajasthan with my family. You are going good. So this is your third number matching. Fourth one, we are going to Darjeeling for a few days. Think. See, this option already done. Only we have two. What can be the right answer? We are going to Darjeeling for a few days. Let us read. Would it be possible for you to look after our cat? I think this is your right answer, right? How? Because they are going to Darjeeling and they cannot carry their pet. And here it's talking about look after mean देखभाल करना. Okay, fine. So yeah, it is the correct option for you. Now fifth one, we should treat everybody with respect. We should treat everybody with respect. We should not look down. That means किसी को बेचारा या नीचा नहीं दिखना चाहिए. So this is your option. So we should look down on people just because they are different from us. Okay, this is beautiful sentence, I can say, because here it's saying that, also giving us a moral, right? So we should respect everybody in the world. Okay, why? Because they are different from us. We feel that ये ugly है, ये ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, ये पुअर है, ये रीच है. ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. हमें हर किसी को उनकी हिसाब की रिस्पेक्ट तो देनी ही चाहिए, right? Even to your guardman, even to your servant, we have to respect for everyone. We have to give respect to everyone. Okay, fine, good. In writing, it's given that a diamond poem, what is, see, this shape known as diamond in the poem. So at the first, let us turn the page. I'll show you how can we should write a diamond poem. See, diamond poem, first line should be one word, second line 2 words, third line means 3 words, and 4 lines means 4 words. After completing 4, you have to go down like this, minus it. 3, 2, and 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is known as the diamond poem. So here given a diamond poem for you. Let us read. Birds, light dark, chirping, calling, flying. Ravens, sparrows, eagles, owls. Soaring, sitting, sleeping. Free, happy creature. So you can see that in this diamond poem, you will not find a complete sentence. Only words are given, right? Only words are given. First line, first word, second line, 2 words, third line, 3 words, four words. Like this, only words given and describe about anything. Okay. If possible, write down a diamond poem by yourself. How would you write that? I have told you, first line, first word, sorry, 1 word, second line 2 words, third line 3 words. Sorry children, I cough it. Fine. Okay, so likewise you have to write down. So try it by yourself. Okay, and yes, one more thing, it doesn't consist of, or it doesn't contain any rhyming words. See, you cannot find any rhyming words. Different words are there. Okay, try it and complete your worksheet. Okay, we'll start discussing. Then we'll look forward the again that what is left for us. Okay children, bye.